Find the measure of angle XAC. Angle XAC is this exterior angle. It's an angle that's on the outside of a polygon. Now, it has to be one of the polygon sides extended and then the angle adjacent to it. And it looks like we have two other exterior angles. And we do. The bottom side is extended and we have two exterior angles. All exterior angles of a polygon should add to 360 degrees. So the measure of angle XAC plus the measure of angle ZCA, the measure of angle ABY, should equal 360 degrees. Now we know two of these angle measures, so plugging them in we can solve. So 121 plus 131 is equal to 152 degrees. So to solve for our angle, the measure of angle XAC, we need to subtract 152 degrees from both sides of the equation, resulting in 108 degrees. Now there are other ways to solve this. Let's just try one other way. We could use the inside angles of the triangle, and a triangle adds to 360 degrees, the interior angles of it. So these three angles add to 180 degrees. But how do we get them? Well, a straight line makes 180 degrees. So the angles next to each other that make a straight line are called supplementary angles. They're adjacent, meaning next to each other, and they make a full straight line. So if these should add to 180 degrees, we can subtract 121 from 180, and we can find the measure of angle ACB. And after subtracting, we find that it is equal to 59 degrees. And now we can repeat the process to find the measure of angle ABC, because these angles are also supplementary. So we take 180 and subtract 131, and we find that this angle, the measure of angle ABC, is equal to 49 degrees. So now we have two of the three interior angles. So we need to add them together and then subtract it from 180, because all of the angles on the inside of the triangle add to 180 degrees. So the measure of angle ACB is equal to 59 degrees, the measure of angle ABC is equal to 49 degrees, and now we add them together, and their sum is 108 degrees. Now we subtract it from 180, both sides of the equation, and we find the measure of angle CAB is equal to 72 degrees. Now this is useful because that angle and the angle that we want, the measure of angle XAC, those should add to 180 because they are supplementary. So 180 degrees minus 72 degrees gives us 108 degrees, just like we found before. So that's the second way. Now notice the 108 degrees shows up here in the equation. It's the sum of the measures of angles ACB and ABC. And the reason why is because the two interior angles that are not next to the exterior angle should add to be the exterior angle. So 59 plus 49 is equal to 108. So whichever way we choose, we find that the measure of angle XAC is equal to 108 degrees.